Good morning everyone and welcome to another episode of Fitu's Thai Kitchen. Now today we're going to be continuing our Thai drink series. Okay, and today we're going to be showing you iced Nam Matoom. Nam Matoom in the West is known as Bael fruit. You could consider it to be a superfruit. It helps digestive disorders, helps produce insulin, reduces blood sugar, and also reduces body heat. So, you know, all in, it's a win-win in my book. It's a superfruit, okay? So here we have some Matoom here. It's actually, I think, correct me if I'm wrong, a member of the citrus family. I don't know if you can see that clearly. I'll put a picture up for you to see clearly. But it's this is dried, and it's got an almost kind of caramelly smell. I mean, when you smell it, it smells of Matoom. It's got a distinctive smell. But if I had to compare it to anything, I'd say it smells caramelly, like a caramelly orange, or you know. But this probably cost maybe about £5 for all of this here. So it's a bit more on the expensive side, but you know, this is during what's going on around the world, so the cost of things has gone up. So but you can order it online. You might be lucky and find an Asian supermarket that has it. But yeah, we're going to make about 4 or 5 litres worth today. So you need about 10 pieces. Okay, about this size. All right. And what we're going to do is we're going to toast these on the grill first to release the flavor and to release the aroma. And then we're going to boil it for about 15 minutes in 4 to 5 litres of water. And then we're going to drain it and sweeten. This drink, actually, you can have it hot or cold, and it's up to you if you sweeten or not. Obviously, depending on your situation. But it's actually nice either way. I haven't tried it hot, but iced it's great. It's amazing. So let's get started. Here, we're grilling the Matoom, or dropping it into the grill is more accurate. All right, so you're just wanting to just toast these ever so gently. Once you can test them, once you start to get that aroma more, then you can remove them. So just keep turning them. Don't drop any through the grill like me. So it just accentuates the natural smell of the Matoom and helps to soften these and start to release the flavor, which is what you want for when you're boiling. Oh, yummy. So nice. Okay, perfect. Now we're going to put into the water. Alright, so here I've got 4 litres of boiled water, and we're just going to put it straight in. Alright, and you're going to want to simmer these for a good 15 minutes. Alright, so it's been a few minutes. You'll see the water's changing colour. And here on the left I've got my cheesecloth and just a receptacle to pour this into. Oh, it smells great. Surprising actually how much, after only a few minutes, how much the Matoom starts to infuse into the water. It really is surprising. So you see the water's getting darker and darker. That's what you want. All that goodness going to the water. That's why we grilled the Matoom first. It just helps with the boiling part, the infusion part. It softens it up and helps to release all the active ingredients. Wow, look at that. Oh, and the smell. Whew, smells great. Actually, it's been a while since I've had this. About a year and a half. Alright, so now we're going to add some sugar. We're using brown sugar. Of course, you can do this without adding sugar. Depends, as I said, on your situation. We like to give this a little bit of a sweet flavour. Don't forget, this one is going to be added with ice, and this is 4 litres of water, so it's going to get diluted. Don't worry if you think we're putting a lot of sugar. So just spooning it out, filtering any little bits that have there's a lot of steam. So we've got our rice ready. Here is the Matoom. Look at that. Wow. So here's the finished article, Nam Matoom. Oh, that is so good. And look at the colour. It's like a caramelly, honey. Oh. It's so good. So that's it for this episode. Hope you enjoyed it. I don't know why I always laugh when I ask if you hope you enjoyed it, but sincerely I do. And we'll keep these coming. If you've got any questions or comments about today's episode, or any drinks or food recipes that in particular you want to see, then just drop us a comment, and we'll try to reply to everyone's messages. All right. So stay safe, enjoy the Nam Matoom, and we'll see you next time. All right. Thanks. Bye.